number with that same 26, 16, 40. Now here it go again. Now what happened? The first two spots in this matrix was filled. So see her focusing, her being proactive in that one matrix, it filled the first two spots in this matrix. See, there go the numbers, they match. 261164. Let me scroll right up real fast. Locate it again, just to show you for demonstration purposes. Let me scroll over. Boom. There you go, right there. There you go again. This is the original one. This is the original matrix right here. See that? And I just showed you the bottom part of it. Showed you the other matrix that it affect. All right, now let's see if I can match the other one. See if I got time, because I know other people want their accounts looked at. But I just that's Randy's strategy or suggestion. I don't, for an account like this, I think it'll be great because this is a smaller account. So this would be absolutely great. I definitely recommend it for this account. Definitely. Hold on. Is there any more placement? Premium placement. Hold on. All right, now here we go. Hold on. 191, 132. I don't know. I don't have time to match up. I was gonna match up the other one, but it don't look like 190, 415. Oh, there we go. Yes, there we go. Now 190, 4015. There goes that number. Pay attention to that number. 190, 4015. Now this number is down here. Now I'm gonna find this number up top for you. So you can affect multiple in an account like this. Right here, see that? Here goes 190. See that same matrix, remember that same 21, 6, 16, 40 matrix. You just matched twice in two different matrices. We matched the system numbers in two different matrices. So there you go. This is an example of where Randy's strategy would be best in this type of account. The last three accounts I done looked at, Randy's strategy would have been best. Because when you got these type of you're trying to fill as many as you can, as many spots as you can. When you got an account like mine, it doesn't necessarily work well. I don't necessarily agree with that because I think you can maximize your money and your potential better. But in this situation, the last three counts, I just matched the system numbers from two other matrix from this one matrix. From this one matrix where she bought placements and premium placements, and it matched the other two matrices. So there you go. And I think that's Marcia. I think that's about as far as advice. I think you did everything. I'm looking at your account. Let me make sure I look over it again. I think you did everything that you could do. I think you did everything. Now, unless those other matrices where you got the first two spots filled, you can go ahead and buy placements and premium placements if you want to. But you know what? You know what I would do, Marcia? In those matrices where I just matched those, where they match. Guess what? And you fill those first two spots. Go and fill those third and fourth spots too. Go and buy some placements instead of filling these empty ones. See this is an empty matrix. Skip over this for now. And the two or three matrices where I match the system numbers. Guess what? Go and buy placements and premium placements for spots 3 and 4. Since we already filled the first two spots. Or two spots, going by placements in spots 3 and 4. That's what I would do. Just match the system numbers. Match the system numbers. Yeah, but that's a great example right there, live and direct. Now, Randy, I think you said earlier where it said that only works if you fill. Then you say that only works if you fill the first two spots with your own name. Her first two spots are filled, but it's only one of her name. But I still found I was still able to find two other matrices that this one affected. I don't know, Randy, if it's just the first two spots with your name in them. Now maybe because, like I said, here she is in the first spot. And then somebody else is in the second spot. So her name is not in the first two spots, but I was still able to find two other matrices that it affected. So I don't know necessarily. Now maybe you mean the the part right here, the U part, and then the first spot in the matrix. Maybe you mean that part. But as far as the first two spot in the matrix, that they need to have your own name to affect other matrices or to help fill other ones. Not in this case right here, because like I said, I just right here just located two different matrices. There's 261640, that's down bottom, and then there's 1904015, that's down bottom. So Marcia, Marcia, wasn't you the one that asked about Randy's strategy? Well, you got a live, and you can do it in your account. You got a live direct in person, and your account is great for his strategy. Great. I think you can maximize your account with his strategy instead of mine, because you got a lot of almost empty matrices. So just match the system now. Focus on this matrix. Marcia 261640. Look for these numbers in other matrices down below, and then focus on those matrices. Focus on those ones. But anyways, let's go to the next one. Enough on that count. But you just got a live and direct tutorial on Randy's strategy.